Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and as you can see we're in the standard photo mode. All we have to do is to look at this upper bar with the options, and right in the middle we've got the timer. Right now this icon is crossed out, which simply means that the timer is off, and after tapping on it we can check other possibilities. So we've got 10 and 3 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, simply tap on it, and as you can see the icon will immediately change, so you can always check whether you've got the timer or not. Now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can always remove the timer, so turn off the timer, simply tap on this icon and tap on this crossed out kind of clock or something like that. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.